Welcome to today's video. We will discuss the things you absolutely need to know about weight loss. Weight loss is a common goal for many people, but achieving it can be a difficult and confusing process. There are countless diets, exercise programs, and weight loss products on the market, making it hard to know where to start and what approach to take. In this discussion, we will delve into some of the most important things you need to know about weight loss. We will cover topics such as the importance of a healthy diet and exercise routine, the role of genetics and metabolism in weight loss, and potential risks associated with certain weight loss methods. By the end of this discussion, you will have a better understanding of what it takes to achieve healthy and sustainable weight loss. Weight is more than fat. First and most importantly, getting that body you want is about more than just weight loss. In fact, weight is too general of a thing to focus on if you're really serious about getting fitter, because it involves several factors including the amount of muscle in your body and water weight. Assuming you're doing some sort of strength training, muscle is crucial. That's because muscle is heavier than fat. So by losing fat and gaining an equivalent amount of muscle, you'd actually be gaining weight. However, your body would look slimmer and leaner than ever. Drop the wrong kind of calories and get enough of the right ones. Weight loss is all about calories. Most importantly, you need to know what different macronutrients count as calories and what each one does to your body. For example, white carbohydrates like bread and rice have a huge number of calories that provide little value to our body nutrition-wise. However, protein and certain types of fat are critical for your overall health. Track your food intake. Rolling off of the last point, you need to start watching your food intake as you watch for news of the next season of Stranger Things. Every single day. You need to track what you're consuming and how much you're consuming of it all. Everyone's body is different, so your number of calories and the right balance of macronutrients will be unique to you. However, generally, you want to consume just under your recommended daily caloric intake. This will make your body start burning fat so that it can maintain its necessary energy consumption level, because it needs to get it from somewhere, and it will turn first to your fat store. Sleep can actually help you lose weight. As with quite literally everything else tied to your physical and mental health, sleep is critical for weight loss. Why? Well, think of sleep as taking an ice bath if you were a professional athlete after a game. An ice bath helps heal the body after intense physical effort, and sleep does the same for fat burning after a long day, and especially a good workout. Sleep is a time for everything in the body to recharge and optimize itself, including when most of the fat and general calorie burning processes take place. So by getting enough sleep, you're giving your body the time it needs to drop those inches. Make healthy food convenient, and junk food not. Weight loss needs to accompany lifestyle changes. Otherwise, you'll too easily shift back into your old patterns and return to your original weight. One of the most important things to do along those lines is to make your diet-friendly foods the easiest and most convenient things for you to get a hold of, while sweets and other junk food should be thrown in a cupboard, move behind your healthy snacks in the fridge, and so on. You don't need to rid yourself of them entirely. In fact, doing so can hurt your weight loss efforts, as you'll see later. But you do need to reduce the risk of those temptations while increasing the likelihood of choosing another healthier option. Ditch the scale. Staring at a scale every day can be downright demoralizing. That's because our weight fluctuates throughout each day regularly, whether we're working to lose weight or not. Part of this is because of the water content in our body, and part of it is the inverse relationship between body fat loss and muscle gain, as well as other regular bodily fluctuations. In other words, don't look at the scale every single day, and don't look at it just once in a single day. Preferably, you stay off the scale and go based on body fat percentage and how you feel. However, if you really want to look at the scale, then do it weekly and look at it a few times that day to get a better average weight. Weight loss pills are a bad idea. I know, the idea of a magical weight loss pill making your fat dissolve away like a dream is enticing, but alas, it's too good to be true, if that wasn't obvious already. Here's an idea of some of the side effects of weight loss pills. Pulmonary hypertension, potentially fatal. Heart disease, increased blood pressure, increased heart rate, insomnia, dizziness, restlessness. Weight loss pills often promise immediate results. However, they do nothing to change your diet or physical exercise habits, ability to resist temptation, and all the other habits that made your body the weight it is now. So, even if do manage to get past the nasty side effects and get results, you'll eventually end up back where you started. A cheat day is a must, but not for the reason you're thinking. You've probably heard of a cheat day before, a day where pinned between memories of a strict, painful diet and the dread of a difficult week filled with boring, lifeless meals, is a shimmer of hope that you can consume whatever you want and in whatever quantity. For this one day, you have total freedom. Want to get those cupcakes you saw earlier this week at the store? Go wild. Ice cream? Stack those scoops. Starbucks? Be daring. Make it a venti. However, what most people aren't aware of is a cheat day has an entirely different and even more critical role in a diet: to maintain metabolic rate. Meal prepping makes everything easier. Seriously, sticking to a strict diet is not only critical for weight loss, it's downright draining. It takes a lot of work to put together a diet that can help you lose weight. However, it's worth it. And taking the time to prep those meals beforehand each week makes it exponentially easier to stick to that diet because you've removed any sort of resistance to it, making it easier just to eat what is already in front of you rather than going to grab or make something else. Use HIIT and strength training. It's important to work out if you're really serious about losing weight. However, it's not good enough to just throw on one of those old jazzercise videos and get moving, as much as I know you like them. Research has proven the benefits of HIIT or high-intensity interval training are far greater than your average workout for both cardio and weight training, both important parts of a complete weight loss regimen. Cardio drops calories and keeps your heart healthy, and strength training helps burn fat. With HIIT, you can get the same benefit in 15 minutes that you'd get in 1 hour of a typical workout. Drop the weekend drinks. As sad-happy as it might sound to some, dropping alcohol can immediately result in dropping pounds. Most people aren't aware of just how many calories are in their favorite drinks, sometimes even more than sugary sodas. So by dropping alcohol or reducing your intake, you can make some much-needed progress fast. More water, less Starbucks. In addition to alcohol, many of the other drinks we consume regularly have huge amounts of calories. This includes soda, juice, lattes, or similar Starbucks-like drinks. The thing is, as opposed to the kinds of necessary calories we talked about earlier, like protein and good fats, these are empty calories that simply fill us up and make us gain weight. In other words, we don't need them. Instead, drink lots of water, which doesn't just help you cut the calories, but helps your body's various processes run smoothly, which can help assist in weight loss. It's less about what you're consuming and more about over-consuming. If you think sugar, alcohol, gluten, or some other kind of food or drink is making you fat, guess again. Sure, each of these plays a part, however. It's less about what individual things you're consuming and more about how much you're consuming.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.